So in this lecture we will see the different configurations in which the loads and the sources are connected in a three-phase system. Okay, we saw that one of the cases that how they are connected in three phases. Three sources are connected and form a three-phase, and these are basically how it sees the load as a three-phase load. So now let us see in a specific way that how the loads are not seen. So loads are connected or seen, whatever it may be, because if it is a motor, there will be it will be a three-phase load. Okay, if it is a three-phase AC motor, like an induction motor, it will be a three-phase load. But it could be a three different loads connected together to form a three-phase load. Okay, so they may be at a same location or maybe at a different location. So the loads in fact can be seen to be connected in two major configuration or two ways. One is the star connected. So loads could also be star connected as in case of voltages. So this is a star connected load, and the star connected load can come in two flavors, where the load may have a neutral point brought out as a connection. Okay, either it can be brought out in the system as a connection from the load, or it may not be brought out but it may physically be there without having brought out of the system. Okay, so a three-phase load could be three-phase star connected load, could be a three-wire load. So outside you will see only three wire coming out, or the another flavor would be one more wire may be there which may be having neutral. So it comes in two ways. Normally the neutral having neutral together with three phases are basically the supply load or household loads. If you see the supply system running for all the residential places at low voltages, that is around 220 volts, if you see all the supply systems are basically three phase and a neutral wire, or you can say three phase four wire systems. Okay, so you have neutral running along with the three lines so that you can tap the power from neutral. Okay, so you can actually connect your load from a phase to a neutral. Okay, so that is normally for a household kind of load, or basically for using the voltages and currents. Other flavor would be there would be no neutral, but only the three phases would be there. So a motor could be of that kind, three-phase motor could be of that type, or loads could be connected in that way where you don't have neutral coming out of the system. So this is what is a star connected load, and you will find three loads or three legs connected this way in star, and each one is named as per phase A, B and C, and then they can be connected to the source. Similar kind of connection is there which is called delta connection, another kind of connecting the loads. These are three are delta connected loads. So in delta connected load there is only one flavor, you get three phases out of it, because there is no neutral point in this case. Okay, so this is three phases coming out of it. So this is delta connected load, and this is Y connected load or star connected load. So now when we say the loads are balanced, that means this Z2, Z1 and Z3, all these three loads are having same magnitude. Okay, so Z1 has same magnitude, okay, and same phase. Z2 is also impedance having same magnitude and same phase. So they are impedances of same phase and same magnitude. Then only they are said to be a balanced three phase load. So here also ZB, ZC and ZA are three phase loads, and if they are balanced, that means ZB, ZC and ZA are all equal in magnitude as well as phase. Okay, that makes our system analysis very simple in certain ways. If you have a balanced system, our analysis becomes very simple. So now let us see what are the ways in which the loads can be connected to source and how these loads can be analyzed. We are talking the case where it is a balanced load. Okay, If the system is not balanced, then we cannot apply the methods which I am going to tell you. But in case of balanced load, it is a very useful way to calculate the current voltages. It makes the things very simple. Please remember that even though the loads sometimes are not balanced, but in practice of electrical engineering and power engineering, people may actually consider the system to be balanced and make thumb rule calculations, some simple calculations which are quite accurate up to extent as far as generalization of things are concerned. They may not be accurate, very much accurate, but they are practically accurate for making certain decisions. So we'll see what are how these two loads are actually connected to their sources, different sources, and how they can be simplified for analysis, specifically when they are balanced. So here you have a balanced Y-Y connection. That means your source system is connected in delta, and your load system is also connected in delta. Both of them are balanced, and we are considering the system with the two neutrals connected together. Okay, so it is 3-phase 4-wire system connection, and it is also called Y-Y connection. Okay, so IA, IB and IC are 3 currents which you can see, and if this system is balanced, if you see, I can represent this system by a equivalent single phase system. So the 3-phase system, if it is a balanced, I can represent it by a equivalent single phase system where you have one voltage. That means only one phase I am representing, one voltage and one of the loads, and they are connected, and this makes my very simple, and I can calculate the value of current if I want, and I can calculate the value of power if I want, and this makes my simple analysis. But this is applicable for one phase, and if I want to find the overall power in all the 3 cases, total power, then I'll have to add the power of all the 3 phases, and that makes 3 times one phase power. Okay, so now what is happening here, the 3-phase system is now simplified into a single phase system. Please remember, this is a keyword here, and only this is applicable when you have a balanced system, and mostly we consider the system to be balanced, okay, just for making thumb calculation. So here you see it is a very simple system. The 3-phase system, which was slightly complicated, can be made into a simple system and analyzed. So this is how a Y-Y system would be equivalent single phase system of Y-Y connection can be made. Now we'll see another kind of connection. Let's say your source is in 3-phase star connected. So here is star connected source, and of course balanced. We are talking only about balanced system, and my load here is in delta connection, and they are balanced. So these are connected in this way. You have 3 currents here and the 3 voltages here, VN, VBN, and these are the 3 phases which are same. Okay, now if I want to make a equivalent connection, I can, if you remember your previous lecture, the delta connection can be made into a star connection, equivalent star connection. And if I make this as a equivalent star connection, something like this, so if this is balanced, my star is also balanced. Okay, all the 3 impedance in star are also equal, though they are different from Z delta, but they are same in themselves. So all these 3, Z1, Z2 and Z3 would be same. So I can convert that delta into star, and now I have if I see my representation, then it is Y-Y balanced connection, of course without neutral, and this becomes my equivalent system for analysis. What is happening here, again the phase voltage is taken, and this is actually equivalent star impedance, which is Z delta by 3, and this is the current flowing into it. So it is again a equivalent system. Of course you have to change the impedance here so that you can analyze easily single phase system. And if if there are two such systems, then you will find that if they are balanced, then this neutral point and this neutral point are going to have the same voltages. Okay, if this is 0, then this is also 0. If this is 5, this is also 5, whatever you may call. But if there is a balanced system, okay, they may be connected or not. Here we have seen they are connected, but they, if even if they were not connected, the two neutrals would have the same voltage. Okay, and that makes them to be virtually connected to each other because the voltages are same, so they are actually connected to each other in a virtual sense. There may not be a wire connecting them exactly, but the voltages are same. So that is why you can say that these two are in fact connected to each other if the loads are balanced. And equivalently, you can analyze this circuit and impose the result of this circuit on this circuit. So your IA is found, and same will be IB and same will be IC, except for the differencing angles of IA, IB and IC, which will be 120 degrees apart from each other. So that is how you can analyze a three-phase circuit on a single phase basis if they are connected in Y delta connection. Now another connection, let's say now your source is connected in delta fashion. That is what the sources are here, if you remember, and loads are now in star. Okay, now if you see what I am doing here, I am making into a star-star connection. So these three are balanced loads, and I can make a equivalent star connection, equivalent delta connection from the for the sources. And what was the equivalent sources, if you remember? These are basically line voltages of a star system. So these are basically line system of a star system. The equivalent star system could be of this way. All right, and those line systems, those star system is this one, VBN and so on, and this comes out to be root 3 times. You can analyze this. If you remember, V phase was, V line was root 3 times V phase. Similarly, V phase is now root 3 times the V line is, V phase is actually V line upon root 3. So whatever this is not VP, I'll call this to be a VAB, or whatever you call V line by root 3. Okay, there's no VP here, so VAB, whatever is the magnitude of VAB, that by root 3 is a equivalent phase and an angle at 30 degrees, and this is ZY, which is already in a star connected fashion. So I can use this equivalent single phase system to calculate the currents in a 3-phase system. So that is how you tackle a delta Y, balanced delta Y connection for making your calculations simple. So these are how you can represent single phase, 3-phase system into so there may be another combinations possible. You can draw them, and equivalently you can convert one into another and do this kind of calculations. So I'll stop here for now for this part. Thank you.